Today we're going to do a casual walk, but we're going to get a lot of it in. It's not going to be really trails because it's all paved. We've had a lot of rain, but we're going to get a lot of walking in, and we're going to talk about the beard, guys. That's right, I've had my beard for a quick minute already. Oh, got to make sure. Okay, I'll get back with y'all. People coming. I got a whole stormy. Now, we're here in Batesville, Indiana. We're hitting a paved trail because all the wooded trails and all the, other trails are closed because of the rain. But let's talk about the beard, guys. I've been growing my beard now for a couple months, and I'm very thankful I did. Last week was some of the coldest days we've had, and guys, I tell you, I do my morning walks, and I got done doing the morning walk, my whole beard, Stormy, sit girl, sit. My whole beard, all the way through here and down through here, was loaded with icicles. Just imagine if I didn't have that beard. That would have been my face. And it was cold enough to get frostbite. All right, we're going to get a little bit of beauty, and we're going back and talk a little bit more about the beard. And maybe I'll get Stormy to act like she ain't brand new. Okay, we're up here where they have the wooded trails, the dirt ground, and they're right over yonder there, and they're open. But we did not bring our hiking shoes, and I do not want to use my everyday walking shoes on that. We thought for sure they'd be closed because it poured down the rain.
Yeah, you got puddles.
You got puddles everywhere. All right. Well, we're going to finish out this walking trail. Then we're going to go walk the levee where the reservoir is. And that is quite the sight. I have that on video before. But we're going to do it anyway. We're going to get lots of walking in. Just maybe not exactly on the dirt trails. But guys, I'm here to tell you, this beard of mine has saved my butt already. You do anything outside, outdoors, I say grow a beard. Because it not only keeps your face warm, it keeps it protected from frostbite. And I get ice on my beard all the time. But this past week was the worst. I was walking at temperatures 18 above. And it was just horrible. It was foggy mornings too. So there was moisture in the air. And when I got my drink of water, I noticed that. I was like, holy. I've had ice before, but never like I did this past week. All right, guys. We're going to get a little bit more beauty, and then we're going to go up to the levee and look at the reservoir. And we're going to walk around that. Yeah! Let's get a little bit more beauty, okay? It's been a while. I've been videotaping with Stormy, right? I still am not holding the GoPro or the selfie stick 100% perfect. Can't rightfully blame her though. See, my mind is on her at all times. I am so worried because she can launch, even though I have control, but she still can launch. And I tell you what, we're at a different part right now. We're at the reservoir. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my God, that shot coming up the steps, I'm sure that was beautiful. But on the way over here, I don't think there was a person she didn't bark at. And inside my little car, little Sparky, I'm surprised my eardrums ain't bleeding. Just saying. Let's get back to talking about the beard. That's right. Now I'm gonna do something different this year. Now normally I basically let my beard just grow nonstop, like a weed. I don't trim it, I don't do anything with it. This year, it's about as long as it's going to get on the sides. Matter of fact, I'm going to trim down a little bit. Because I don't need it that bushy. Every time you turn around, you make me think somebody's coming.
I'm just looking.
I am so worried that somebody's walking up behind us and she's going to launch at them. But anyway, where was I? Guys, I ain't on my game at this moment. Stormy has got my nerves wrecked. On the way over here, it was, I don't get her sometimes. But anyway, let me get my mind on it. And I'll be right with you guys. We're going to go ahead and put some distance in. Let me get some beauty. And we'll get back to how and why I'm going to trim it down this year.
Talking about
Okay, got to get my mind in the game, and I think it's here now. All right, Angie was basically helping me out back there, saying, well, you're talking about trimming that. Now, I never normally trim. See that fist jump? I never really trim the beard down when I grow it through the winter. I let it grow like a weed, like I said. This time I am going to trim it. It's going to be about the length it is now. I'm just going to make it look a little better because it's working at the length it is now. And the thing is, all the past other winters, it got to getting on my nerves. I mean, I say in the middle of January, I was about ready to, because, like I said, I let it grow like a weed, right? So it was growing at all ends. And Stormy, when this hit your nose a minute ago, I was videotaping Stormy walking, and she turned her head like this, and it bumped her nose, so I got a little doggy snot on my viewfinder. Just saying. As we're up here on the levee, Angie noticed something over there. I could try to show you. I don't know if it's going to show up, but here, I try to show you. Right over yonder, there's another trail. We don't know where it goes. Huh. Do we want to try to hit that one today or just leave that for like a rainy day? It looks like it might go all the way out that way. Tell you what we're going to do. We are going to do that. We're going to do that tomorrow. We're going to come right back here again and do that trail and see where it goes. It may be a hidden gem. All right, back to the beard. I never really wanted to trim it down all the other previous times because I was like, well, shoot, the longer, the more it keep my face warm. But it's doing its job now. And plus, I'll be honest with you, as you notice when my junk comes in, it's white. And the more bushier it gets, the more I look, now, through Christmas months, I look like Santa Claus. And it's just, I don't know. I hate that bushiness. I don't mind the long white goatee. That's me. I mean, that's me right there. I've had it for so many years. But the rest of it, the bushiness gets to you. And not to mention when it starts growing out, it gets in the side of my eyeball. I can see it. So, fix that problem, keep it trimmed. See that fish jumped? Yeah, where we're at right now, we fished this quite a few times. We didn't fish it this past summer. Don't know why we didn't, but we didn't. Here at the reservoir here in Batesville, it's not too bad. We've caught nothing but catfish out of here, and this is deep. The only downside is on a hot summer day, you have no shade whatsoever. None. And it is super deep out there, I'm telling you. We've caught catfish, but nothing else. In all honesty, I don't think the fishing's that bad. It ain't the best. Then again, maybe, you know, the year we did do it, because we didn't do it this past summer, we was serious rookies. Hell, we still are. But we might come up this summer and give it a shot. There's another couple spots we want to give a shot. One I got on video the other day. We're definitely give that a shot. But I tell you, it's nothing better. We sat up here one day, and a thunderstorm was coming in. And as you see, there's no trees. You can pretty much see for miles. Well, take that back. You could just see. And oh my God, it was so beautiful that evening. Thunderstorm was coming in, and we're trying to fish, and by some luck, it moved away from us. All right, guys, back to the beard. It is doing its job. I said this last year, and I said this the year before. It is doing what it's supposed to be doing. Just this year, I may keep it trimmed. And for some reason, the trimming doesn't work, and I start getting cold on my face. No biggie. I just won't trim no more. It grows like a weed anyway. And the only reason I'm growing it, because it's a man-made cloth. I'm making my own scarf around my own face. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. That's all I got for the beard. If you guys are beard people, beard enthusiasts, or whatever, leave me comments down below. Are you growing a beard for this winter? And how's it working for you? And me, I'm thinking about keeping it trimmed. No more than this. I'm going to trim up a little bit of the edges, but this is about the thickness. I'm going to keep it right here. And just to see if that works for me. I'm hoping like heck it does. All right, guys, we will see you on our next adventure. We're going to probably do that walking path back there, just see where it goes and see whatever it is. I do have something else to talk about. My next video, I want to talk about something I've been doing for dang near 70 days. That's right, and I'm proud of myself for it too. All right, guys, until next time, come on, let's get out of here. One more shot. Isn't she beautiful? I don't know if it's a she or he, but isn't it beautiful? Holy. We'll see you guys soon, guys, all right? I promise my next video I'll be in game. Now, Stormy, you gonna behave on the way home? Probably not. We'll see you then.